In this video, we will look at 3 types of forward parking. Number 1. Front parallel parking. When choosing a starting position for parallel parking, keep in mind that a vehicle is more maneuverable when reversing, therefore the parking space should be at least 2 times larger than your car's body. Find an available parking space. Ensure that the space is large enough to comfortably park your vehicle. Take the correct position on the road. Maintain a distance of at least 3 feet from the car to your right to allow for better maneuverability and avoid collisions. It's best to use your car's dimensions as a guide. When ready to park, position your front bumper parallel to the car on your right. If you're new to parking and still getting used to your car's dimensions, use your side mirrors for better orientation. Move forward slowly until your right side mirror is aligned with the other car's side mirror. Turn on your right turn signal so other drivers know you're about to park. Check your side mirrors to ensure you're not obstructing traffic or causing any danger. Turn your steering wheel 1 full turn to the right, and slowly move forward until the lower left corner of your windshield lines up with the left side of the car in front of you. Then, while still moving slowly, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left, and drive forward until your car is aligned. You might still be a bit far from the curb, as parking in a straight line usually requires more space for parallel parking. Engage reverse gear. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right, and reverse until you can see the left headlight of the car behind you. Then, turn the steering wheel fully to the left again while reversing until your car is parallel to the curb. Align the wheels and center the car. Congratulations, you've successfully parked. Number 2. Angle parking. When choosing a starting position for parking, remember that a car is less maneuverable when moving forward. Therefore, it's best to stay a bit farther away from the parking space. The more distance you have, the easier it will be to park. Find an available parking spot. Position your car correctly on the road. The farther you are from the parking space, the better. Use your front bumper as a guide, slowly moving forward until it aligns with the start line of the parking spot. Turn on your right turn signal to alert other drivers of your intentions. Check your side mirrors to ensure you're not in anyone's way. Turn the steering wheel fully to the right, and slowly begin driving forward. Continue turning until your car's front aligns with the cars next to you. Once your vehicle is parallel to the other cars, straighten the wheels and continue moving straight ahead. Well done, you did a good job. Number 3. Straight parking. Find a parking spot. Turn on your signal. Give yourself as much space as possible. Line up your shoulder to the middle of parking spot in front of the parking space you intend to park. If your vehicle is smaller, line up the first line of your parking space after your mirror. Check your mirrors and blind spot for the other's car. Turn steering wheel all the way to the direction of the parking spot and drive slowly. When your car body is parallel to the parking space line, straighten your wheel and drive forward until your car has completely entered the space. Put your car into parking brake. Congratulations, now you know how to park in any situation. Stay safe on the road. Subscribe for more.